We got to break the pressure on it. So I got the water shut off. Do you mind going inside and just turning on your hot water?
Nope.
It should run for a little bit and then it'll stop and kind of dribble down to nothing. So we're going to install this anode rod. So I went and picked up this anode rod, got like a 6-inch nipple on it. Makes it a lot easier to get the wrench on it. And this is just an older A.O.Smith water heater. So just shut the water off to it. And the owner is draining the hot water down. And then we're gonna disconnect the supply line on the hot side and remove the nipple. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was you that said that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can't always tell.
I didn't expect you to, but you had said that, so I had repeated.
Oh, okay.
No, but I've started everyone that liked on everyone.
Awesome.
So what happened with the TV?
Too much pressure. Can you open that faucet up again for me?
It's still open.
Oh, it is? Okay.
I can open the second one.
There's just there's a lot of pressure in here, and I don't know where it's coming from. Okay.
We always want you to show up. We always want to raise money.
Yeah.
Want to make it as quick and easy.
Yeah.
We'll take off.
Yeah, natural gas.
Blow over. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Well, I don't think it's going to be illegal. I think they're just going to phase it out. They're gonna phase out natural gas, and then you know, you won't be able to buy these heaters anymore.
Yeah, you can. You'll just have to drive the unit.
Yeah. So I think we want to remove this ducting here and get it out of my way so I can get a bigger wrench up in here.
Half, 3/4, full, for the used part, so that if something fails, or 2, 3, 5 drops down the road, you can go by it. Nothing fails, then it's a little extra dough. But every future time, and it's up to you if you come back in 90 days on one job application. One of my favorite YouTube guys, that was too often, and then he found like a 12-year-old craftsman on eBay used. That craftsman was second best in the whole place.
Right. And it, right.
And stuff, and it was like the 12-year-old. Anyway, that's not a.
You sorry?
I said I don't think that's good.
No. Yeah. Especially if you get a deal on them.
Yeah, but it's the deal $5 to $10 cash, or is the deal like I'm not going to charge you more than the new one costs from the home store, because I know that this is still better.
Yeah.
So what do you do for it? It works until it fails.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. he keeps asking me, and I can't tell him because I have no idea. I mean, it's just one of those things. We tried changing the gas line. I've seen that before where the gas lines are too small, or it's not getting a water heater that uses more BTUs. So we kind of like, you know, troubleshot it, and his son was having the same problem, so he ordered a new valve because he just wanted a new one. He kept, you know, once people hear they're used, they just think, and I'm like, well, you know, they're significantly cheaper. I only charge like, if I do a service call, I only charge $10 for parts, so you're basically getting a replacement valve for $10.
Like shop supply.
Yeah. And then if you come and buy one from me, I charge $35. But a brand new one, the least expensive, newest valve, like at Amazon's $150. So it's worth the risk, I think. But he just wanted a new one, and that's fine. So we installed that one. I guess it took care of the problem because I haven't heard from him. So now he wants to do the other one, but he doesn't want Honeywell at all. So, yeah, so it's the aluminum rod, and then there's a piece of plastic that has a hole in it. That's what lets the water get out, the hot water, and then that's tied into the nipple.
Okay.
And then it doesn't, you know, the hot water doesn't do anything to the plastic. It's a pretty easy switch. The hardest part's getting the old nipple. I couldn't get the additional, you know, tap here that they have. I couldn't get this off, so I couldn't put the T and P there to drop an anode rod in. And if I can't do that, then, you know, you're not going to have any kind of anode rod inside. And then, you know, it's gonna severely limit the longevity of the water heater. But yeah, that's basically it. So it's in.
Be sure to put Nipple in the description for the title so it comes up more searches.
I know, right? Yeah.
I saw those valves open.
I'm sorry?
I still have the sink and the shower
Oh, okay.
wide open.
Yeah, you can close those probably now. Thank you.
Yeah, I didn't know if they need to be reopened.
Yeah, actually, we will probably need to reopen them. Sorry?
You want to close it first?
We'll just leave them open now. Yeah. Thank you.
Let me know when you get it.
Okay.
Point to the shower again.
You gonna watch the football games today?
My father-in-law is. I might.
Oh, okay.
I was looking forward to it, and then I'm like, I think we already saw the best games
Oh,
a
yeah.
couple weeks ago. They had some real,
Yeah.
you know, one call, one throw, one mistake, one missed field goal, one
Right.
missed extra point.
Yeah.
You know, so close.
Yeah, you like a good close game, huh?
I don't know. You know, I like when somebody like Mahomes did, like, when they put the second radio the week after to again dead even, and we were so excited.
Uh-huh.
And now. I brought my friend Manuel.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a computer question for you. Right, that's it. So we added the anode rod. Appreciate you watching the video. No leaks. Please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Have a great day.